Meaning of EY.
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 EY. EY is a suffix commonly added to words in English, and it has different meanings depending on the context. One of its most common meanings is to form adjectives that describe something as being characteristic of or related to a particular place, such as rocky from rock or shady from shade. EY can also be used to create diminutives, as in doggy or kitty. Additionally, it can form nouns to indicate a small or trivial thing, like flimsy or doozy. Overall, EY adds versatility and nuance to the English language.